Miss Johnson's refrigerator.
Okay, today we are gonna start with a heron.
It's a blue heron. It's froze.
It's claws.
It's just a... Ooh, you want a moldy sandwich? That's your lunch.
Biohazard. Okay.
You want frogs?
Is that a heart or something?
Frogs. Ew. Let me see.
Sliced beef.
Sliced beef. Yum.
Yum.
And to think people actually put their food in here.
More
Moldy sandwiches. Okay, put it in. Now we'll move on to the refrigerator.
Ta-da!
Da-da-da.
Blood.
Dead pigs. Woo.
Those are pigs?
Rats.
Oh my god, there's so many of them.
What's this?
Oh, look at its tongue! Look at its tongue! You can see its tongue.
Here, hold on.
Hey, look, a rat.
Pig baby!
Rats. Ew.
Put the pigs back.
Bigger rats with,
Are those brains?
see, big rats.
What's that?
And some frogs. See there? I don't know if you can see them. So we'll take them out.
Oh, they're like
Beautiful.
dehydrated.
Yeah, they're not good
Poor
frogs.
frogs. They're gonna die. Ugh. Ew. Stinky. Oh, is that a pomegranate?
Lots and
And
lots
some
of rats
smoked
and
bacon.
pigs.
Ew, rotten pomegranate.
Ew. No, I think that's an onion.
Oh, rotten onion.
And smoked bacon.
And does anybody want some bacon?
Naturally.